Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and isn't that a cool car sitting there? I love bubble cars. That's what we always call them. We are handing off the traveling Blythe named Candi, hosted by April 8th on Instagram. We're handing it off to Nicole at Not the Cool Dolls, and we're handing it off and having lunch. How cool is that? And the box is handed off to John and Nicole. So we're home. We had a really good and fun lunch. My throat is messed up from laughing so much. Had a great time. And I'm going to take my Cruel to Be Kind, who is wearing a dress from Nicole and John at Not the Cool Dolls on Etsy, and redress her come Thursday night for the live to see her in jeans and her new t-shirt that Nicole gave me. They're making these and selling them on Etsy. Isn't that the cutest? Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. For the adventures of Candi, please go to Nicole's channel. Stay tuned on our channel, and please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.